very funny moment after on the road. These road pass away the road and get many difficult in the water because the water was very high on the road. Oh, so no, and funny. Yeah, one more bike is running from here. This is very huge and huge water level on the road. So this bike is coming in family and many bikes. Oh, so very bad. But this time the rain is starts to begin, and but this time the rain is slowly start, and the sky is not clear from the cloud. And there are oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, oh, oh. This time this bike is suffering in the water level. This is a big difficult. You enjoy of this scene because the water very heavy had on the road. One more scene. Oh no, no, no.